everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a confetti launcher or a party popper in a few simple steps. Let's get started. All you're going to need is a balloon, a paper roll, scissors, tape, and some confetti. Let's start making. First, start by using your scissors, cutting off just the top. Then it should have a hole like this. If your hole is kind of small like this, that's okay. We're going to get your tube and using the balloon, go just like that. Wrap it around, and if you have like colored tape, it can also be a decoration, and even just tape like this, like this masking tape, you can use it and you can draw on it easier. So now we've got it and it looks kind of cool on the inside. But we're going to be putting the confetti in so the confetti doesn't fall in it. It's super simple. If you don't know how to do this, ask an adult or you can use tape. Just go ahead and tie the balloon. Tie it. Just wrap it around like this. And put it like through right here on your fingers. And tie it. Now I know it doesn't look like a confetti launcher, but it will be. We're going to put in the confetti. So you can use these for birthdays, right here, or you can use them for really any type of celebration. Now, let's see how this works.